gang, I'm back! Did you miss me? Yes, I know I've been very absent in here and there with the videos over the past couple of weeks because I've been moving, well, twice actually, all the way out from Colorado here back to my home, well, region of New England. Now I've landed in Nashua, New Hampshire. And man, one thing after another when you're moving these days. So I apologize, I haven't been very consistent with my videos, but now that's going to change starting today with this week's Movement Monday. Today we're tackling the murky idea of what do you do with your shoulder blades and locking them down. Should you lock them down? Should you move them during particularly calisthenics training? And there's exceptions to every rule, and the ideas that I'm going to give you today are not by any means the be-all, end-all. But here's the way I usually look at it, is when we're dealing with compound movements that move our body in a vertical motion, like handstands and pull-ups, keep your shoulder blades back and lock them back. Retract your shoulder blades, but allow them vertical movement so they can elevate and depress. So when you're at the bottom of a pull-up, you can allow your shoulder blades to shrug up a little bit, and then when you come up, you pull them downwards. But the pulling back, your shoulders are retracted the entire time. So think about it like when you're moving vertically, allow your shoulders to move vertically, but lock them in horizontally. The opposite is the case with horizontal movements like push-ups and rows. In this case, we want to lock the shoulders down, depression, so we're keeping them locked down from a vertical perspective, but we can allow them some movement and mobility from retraction and protraction. So at the bottom of a row or with a push-up, we have them protracted, so they're slightly forward, and then when we come down, we can retract the shoulder blades. Of course, there's exceptions to every rule. Case in point, I'm thinking with vertical is dips in particular. You don't want to come down in the bottom of a dip and have your shoulders shrug up way by your ears. I did that one time during weighted dips, and it really caused some damage along some of my spinal erectors. But play with this, and above all, even though you're allowing your shoulder blades to move, don't let them relax. Don't let them just drop and, quote, dead hang or relax in the muscles in the back and the chest. Keeping some measure of control in the muscles that control your scapular movements during all of these is still key and crucial to keep control of your body and space and keeping stress out of your joints. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Be fit, live free.